Academic PDFs are often dense, cluttered, and hard to navigate, especially if you process information differently. Tailo transforms these documents into a clean, customizable reading experience designed to support your cognitive needs. In this video, we'll show you how to upload your first document, explore Tailo's simplified reading view, and start reading in a way that works for you. To get started, head to your Tailo dashboard. You can drag and drop files into the Documents panel or click Upload a Document to browse files from your computer. Once uploaded, you'll see the difference immediately. Here's the original PDF, full of small text, cramped formatting, and no clear structure. Now, here's the Tailo reading view. Clean, simplified, and easier to process. Every document in Tailo is broken into clear sections, making it easier to take in information one step at a time. Start with the tailored document summary. This is a personalized summary that helps you grasp what the paper's about. Choose Read by section if you prefer focused, bite-sized chunks. Or go to Read full document if you want to scroll through it all in one go. To keep things organized, you can return to your dashboard at any time to upload more documents or pick up where you left off. To recap, upload one or more academic PDFs straight from your device. Tailo transforms them into a clearer, more accessible reading experience. Use the tailored overview, section-based reading, or full document view, whatever suits your style, and manage everything from your dashboard with ease. In the next video, we'll show you how to unlock even more support using Tailo's built-in tools.